A clarification on this measurement here. I have 133.5 from the corner of this toe kick cutout to the sink wall and 21.25 out. So this cabinet here, the right, let's see, let's do it this way. The left side is 100 inches off the sink wall plus 23. 123.5 plus 10-inch depth for this bookcase. So that jives there. This measurement I gave you from this cabinet to the wall I think was off. I saw where this cabinet was outset too much, meaning, you know, there's a wall here for this bookcase and it wasn't outset properly. Anyway, clarification on that. So from this corner to the fridge wall should be, yep, 133.5.